Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. Let's get started with the second Sudoku. Alright, let me see. A 7 in this row, a 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. And then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 6 should be there. And I see we have a pair in the last row. We have a 9 and a 5 here, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 and the 5 should be here. The 9 and the 5, that means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 8, and 6. 1, 8, and 6, and I see here 1 and 8. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 should be here. So 1 digit left for the 6 in this box. Alright. We have a 6 in this column, a 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then how about these 3 numbers in the first row? The missing numbers here are the 4, the 5, and the 7. The 4, 5, and the 7. We have a 4 and a 5 here, so no 4, 5 in this box. 1 digit left for the 7. Here we have the 4 and the 5. I marked them, 4 and the 5. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the row between. The only two places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And then we have also a pair with the 3 and an 8, 3 and an 8. So in this row, the only place for the 3 and 8 should be here as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So here 3 and 8. So 1 digit left for the 1. And then these 3 numbers in this column, the missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. The 7 should be here because we have a 7 there and 7 here in the middle column. The 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be here or there. And the 3 cannot be here. It should be there. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 there. So one place left for the 3 should be here. 7 and the 2. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. The 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 5, I believe. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, and I believe here, the 9 and the 5 are here. So the 5 cannot be here. We have a 5 here, so the 5 should be there, and the 9 goes here. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be a 1, and this should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and 2. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means those are the numbers, 2 numbers in the last column are the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. These 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 8. A lot of pairs here. How about 6, 6? Yeah. The 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be anymore a 4. So this should be a 4, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 3 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 are missing. The 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about here we have a 3. Well, the 6 should be here. The 7 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. These 2 numbers, 1 and 7. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 4. No, we have a 4 here. For the 5 5 and a 3, 5 and a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Here are 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. 5 and an 8, 5 and an 8. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. In this big square, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left here, the 8 and the 6, I believe. The 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet, I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers, the 2 and the 9, the 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 3 is missing here. Now we have a number 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 3, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be anymore a 5. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Oh, right. For Sudoku Medium, I'm well pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Thank you and bye-bye.